pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga hurado. Krista.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. It's been so fun.
Katia.
Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo at sa Madlang People. Thank you very much.
Luis.
Siyempre, sa Madlang People, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
And of course, Jong. Thank you. Advice, paalam na.
Thank you. Nag-enjoy po ako dito. Thank you po.
Pero hindi ba nagtatapos kasi babalik pa sila, di ba?
Yes, dahil walang eviction this week, tatawid pa sa ating special kitty edition ang lahat ng hurados next week.
Pero eto, may importanteng announcement lang ang kapatid kong si Luluboy. Luluboy?
Yes.
Thank you very much sa ating Madlang People, sa aking Showtime family. At this point, kailangan ko po muna mag-voluntary exit. Gusto ko magpasalamat dahil next week aalis ako, hindi po ako makakabalik ng Showtime. So it's time na may ibang mo po sa Hurado seat. Pero sa buong Madlang People, Showtime family, thank you very much. It's always an honor to wake up na kayo ang kasama at mapanood ang mga tumatapak sa entablado. I had a great time and maraming salamat Showtime. And once again, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan ng Bergi.
Luis, maraming salamat dahil napakagaling mong maghurado.
Thank you very much. And hopefully soon, sa mga susunod na season, pwede ako mupo ulit bilang hurado.
Yes. Voluntary exit ka naman eh. So
Yes,
pwede ka
sana.
At kung may pinagdadaanan ka, tawagan mo lang kami.
Yeah, we're always
Ngayon, sino kaya ang grupo mag-uwi ng 200,000 pesos? Sabay-sabay natin malalaman yan sa pagbalik ng Your Show.
your time.
It's Showtime!
We'd like to thank the following. 1. Building people, building business. Ang numero 1 negosyo ng bayan. Aquasoft Purified Drinking Water. GB Shoes, the all-occasion shoes. Salem Ben, ang hari ng tibay. Mandaue Foam Industries Incorporated. Christina Villas Mountain Resort. Ultra Mega Supermarket. Presyong mababa na, mas pinababa pa. Paddy's Point Restaurant and Bar. Tara na! Thumbs Up, Zagu, King Sue, Walter Zamora, Zen Zest Lifestyle Products. Wow Video Okay. May Wow Video Okay ka na, may DVD player ka pa. Life is wow. Grand Perry Jeans. Available in all Gaisano malls.
Discover a little